Wealth by design. Choose prosperity with this low-effort AI side hustle. Earn $6,500 per month. Being rich is not luck, it's a choice. Make $6,500 per mo with this low-effort AI side hustle. Let AI run a print-on-demand business for you. Spend $0, no fulfillment responsibility. Sit at home. Printify will send you the profits. Here's how. Step 1. Go to printify.com and log in with your Google account. Free sign up, no verification needed. Step 2. Select the catalog bar from the top left. Choose the product/s you want to sell on your print-on-demand store. Step 3. Select which provider you want to get your product printed from. Make your choice upon price, quality, location, fulfillment. Step 4. Press Start Designing and select the free AI image generator. Enter a prompt, for example, dog wearing a suit. Step 5. After adjusting the design as per your requirements and choosing a shirt color, give your product a title, and Printify generates a product description and free mockups. Observe the cost and profit margin. Step 6. Lastly, connect your store to Printify so that they print, deal, and fulfill your orders for you. You may attach e-commerce stores such as Etsy, Shopify, your website, API. You're done.